Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA DateDiff function for the difference in the number of weeks. So first of all, you need to press Alt and F11 to go into the VBA editor, and then you need to insert a new module, and I'm going to call the module sub DateDiff weeks. And then I'm going to declare start date as a date, and declare the end date as a date as well. So start date is going to be placed in an input box, and I'm going to call it enter start date. And date is also going to be placed in an input box, and I'm going to call it enter end date. So that the input box saying enter start date will prompt to enter start date when it pops up on the screen, and the end date input box will prompt to enter an end date when it starts up on the screen as well. And I'm going to enter a message box as well. And in this message box, I'm going to put in the DateDiff function. The interval is basically the calculation of what you want to calculate the difference in. So because we want to calculate the difference in weeks, I've entered WW in quotes. Date 1 is the start date, and date 2 is the end date. First day of the week is VB Sunday. First day of the year is VB first Jan 1. And save that first of all, and then I'm going to play it and see what it does. So I'm going to enter the start date as prompted as 01 01 1901, and I'm going to enter the end date as 01 01 2013. It's telling me the difference in weeks between both dates is 5,844 weeks. And if I save that, close it, and run it from the VBA, from the Excel spreadsheet. So I go to View, then click on Macros, select the macro I just created, which is VB DateDiff weeks. Click on Run. Do the same thing again. Enter 01 01 1901. So start date 01 01 2013. That's the end date. Click on OK. 5,844 weeks difference. If you want to go back into the macro you just created, click on View Macros. Click on the macro you want to select, or you've been working on, and click on Edit. It takes you to the screen, and that is how to create a DateDiff weeks function in the Excel VBA editor.